I love doing this because it helps the community out. You have senior citizens that are cannot get out and drive in this kind of bad weather. They need to go to the doctor and have medicine needs to be picked up. And so we are able to provide services for those who cannot get out, for those who don't like driving in the snow, for those doctors and nurses that need to get to the hospitals, and they don't have to worry about trying to get out here and driving this. This is what we're here for. And so just to be able to provide that services for everybody is a blessing, and they don't have to worry about anything. We come and get you, and we do what we have to do to make sure that everybody's okay.